yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life No Way. I'm behind the camera because I am having a reaction to some medication and my face looks like Kevin's shirt.
Don't let her fool you.
Oh.
She's having a reaction to me.
Anyways, I had a company reach out to me called Life, and got a little blurb here. It says Life was founded in 2017 as sub-brand of Robotime, and which is a trendy cultural DIY creative brand focusing on developing DIY homemade toys for adults. Not that kind of toys. Life insists on connecting the world trend culture with China design. We take cuteness creates everything. Trends rising in the East. So, and then we'll go on here. Yeah, so here's their website. Oh, you hit. There we go. I'll get Kevin to put it in the description box. And then we do the search, and I hit shop, and they've got all these really cute, I'll let Kevin hold them up, really cute little doll houses. Here's a baking house and just all kinds of different 3D type puzzles. There's a bakery and a coffee shop.
Okay, I gotta go. Somebody's knocking.
Just all kinds. There's a little kitchen, sunroom, flower house, Sam's study, and just really neat 3D puzzles. So, and there's all kinds of them, tons and tons of pages of them. So just a really fun project. Of course, this is the type of project that Kevin and I are going to do together. This is the one that I received right here. It's called Life DIY Miniature Dollhouse Simon's Coffee House. And that's the one they sent me. So Kevin's just going to show you what comes in it. And yeah.
No.
It's still on? Okay.
No, push it back because I will. Thank you. Yeah, I'll hold things up. Okay. I don't need you to. Thank you. Okay. So it comes with an instruction booklet.
It's a lot of little pieces.
Just to give you an idea.
Yeah.
And then it's got a whole bunch of baggies with a whole bunch of parts.
Little dishes and stuff like that for a coffee house.
Some paint brushes. Some just tons of stuff. And then this is the main
building.
And then a bunch of stickers. And then a layout. So you can it has a layout. And you unfold this and it allows you, I think, to lay everything out.
That's neat. And there's, in the one bag, this one here, it's got like stuff you have to wire because it's got little lights throughout it. So, yeah, we're going to have fun with this. Oakland can have the big doll house, and we're going to have this one. So we got two big projects on the go right now. Anyways, I want to thank the Life company for sending this to us, and we will be sure to put their link in the description box below. Thanks for watching.
Yesterday